Hello, guys. We have some few minutes to go. We have some few minutes to go. Mm, 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 mm. What's up, everybody? What's up, everyone? I hope you can hear me. I hope you can hear me clearly. I hope you can hear me clearly. Let's see. All right, so we're getting started in a moment. Let's just first of all wait for others to join before we get started. I hope everyone can hear me. If you can hear me clearly, please type I hear you. If you can hear me, please type I hear you. Please type I hear you if you can hear me. If you can hear me, let's proceed with our trading. Let me proceed to introduce myself to the live stream, to the live chat. All right, so my name is Josh, as you can see from the YouTube thumbnail, and I'm a pocket broker trader. I trade on pocket broker. Yes, it's basically an options pattern of trading. Pocket broker is an option pattern of trading that you simply choose it up. If you are predicting the price is going up, you choose up, and if you are predicting the price is going down, you choose down. So that is basically it. It's very easy. It's just two-way. It's different from forest, although it's a similar pattern. But in this one, you predict if the price is going up, you buy. If you know the price is going to come down, then you sell. So that is basically how to do it on Pocket Broker. Now, my name is Manu, just like you know. I've been a trader for some time now, and I've traded a lot of times. I've made a lot of money. I've also lost a lot of money. So that is how trading basically goes. You win some, you lose some. So in trading, you basically lose some, win some, lose some. That is how it is. That is how it is. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about a strategy for beginner, which is basically the trend strategy. It's basically a trend strategy. Yes, it's basically a trend strategy. If you can hear me, it's basically a trend strategy for beginners to learn how to trade. Now, when I started trading, when I started trading, yes, when I started trading, I was very, very much confused by a lot of. When I started trading, I was very, very much confused by a lot of traders putting so many lines on their screen, lines upon lines upon lines. So I was basically confused because as a new beginner, if you see so many lines on your screen, I tell you, you will not be able to cope. If you look at some trading charts, you will see lines and then you will get confused. Where should you start from? Where are you going to start from? You get confused. Now, that is why I've brought before you one of the simplest method to trade without having to use lines. The only line you'll be needing is the EMA, which is this line here. The EMA, simple moving average. You can just set it to 20. That is the only line we'll be needing to be trading with this strategy. It's very easy as that. So that is the only line to be trading with this strategy. So this strategy basically is trend plus candle confirmation. Trend plus candle confirmation. That is basically this strategy. Now, what this strategy says is that this is the EMA now, exponential moving average. If the price is below or crosses below the EMA, this green line, if the price crosses below this green line, that means the market is going down, so you can take a down trade. Yes. If the price crosses like it's about to do now, if the price crosses above the green line, it means the market is going up, which means you can take a buy trade. When it crosses below, you take a sell trade. When it crosses above, you take a buy trade because the market is basically going up at that moment. So this is what really happened. You can see it from here. When the price crossed it, the market went down. Now it's trying to come up again. Then from here you can see it. When the price crosses above it, the market went up. So if you have entered the moment the market crosses it, then you have made profit, made profit, made profit. Then it started coming down again. If the market is not coming down, you wait. Once it crosses, then you start trading. That is basically how to use this strategy. So you don't need to be using a lot of lines on your screen. You should not have thousands of lines on your screen for you to trade. Just simply looking at the market alone, you know the direction the market is heading to. So that is basically it. Now, to confirm, yes, to confirm, the moment the market crosses, if you are expecting the market to come down, like if it crosses from up to bottom, yes, if the price crosses below the EMA, we expect that the market is going down. So you wait for a bearish candle. Once this bearish candle closes, you cannot enter here. You cannot enter here. Yes, you cannot enter from here. Let me remove this line. I use the horizontal line. Yes. Something like this. Yes. So if I've entered in this point, I would have made profit and keep on making profit. Yeah. So this strategy is very easy. It's very easy. So once you are expecting the market to come down, you wait for the first bearish candle before you enter. You don't just enter and the candle is still green. No, you don't enter in a green candle. Why? If you are waiting for the market to go up, just like this point or this point, this is a very large bullish candle you can see here. It's a very large bullish candle. You enter from this point where the candle cross and you wait for it to close and then you enter. So the time frame I'm using for this chart is just 1 minute. You can already see it here. It's a 1 minute chart. Then the expiration date of your trade can be either 1 minute or 3 minutes. That's how to trade here. So let's basically, so as we are talking, we are going to be waiting for the market to do what we want it to do. And one more thing I need you to know about this strategy is that strategy is not a fast strategy. Yes, it's not a make it quick kind of strategy. So you have to be patient to wait. Yes. I wish we have started the stream before it came this way. Then we would have made profit here. Also made profit here. One, two, three. Yes. One, two, three. Even at this candle, we will also make profit here because we have entered here. We closed here, we entered here. They would have made profit here. You understand? So that is basically how to use the trend plus. This is basically how to use the trend plus one candle confirmation to trade. So you don't really need much. You don't need a lot of lines. You don't need much knowledge to trade. Even someone in the kindergarten can trade like this. Now there's also another strategy where you use another EMA. That one gives you more signals, but this one gives you less signal. So this is how to trade. Now, before we go into trading, we've already started trading already, but before we go into it, there are some things I want you to know. Yes. If you are just starting on pocket option, there are some things I basically want you to know. The first thing is that the first thing is you can receive 100% bonus. Yes, when you are trading on pocket broker, you can have 100% bonus when you are trading on pocket broker when you use my link. Now, this is my link here. This is my link. This is my link. This is my link here. So this is the link. So if you want to deposit to make at least, you want to make at least 100% of your bonus, then use this link displaying on your screen right now. This is the link you should use for trading. Yeah, that is the link displaying on your screen. That is the link you are going to use to trade, to deposit. When you deposit, you see that link, you will get 100%, which means double your deposit. So if you are depositing $50, you are getting $50 back. If you are getting extra $50, which means you are having $100. If you are depositing $100, you have extra $100, which means you are having $200. So this is the code. I'm going to take it off the screen now, but I'm going to bring it back again. I'm going to bring it back later. So that is it. So while we wait for the market to move towards our direction, let's see if we can take any trade now that the market is going down. Okay, before that, there's something I have to explain. Before that, there's something I have to explain here. If the market is moving up, down, up, down, up, down, or is basically the EMA is basically crossing down, up, crossing down. Let's see if you can see. If you can see. Yes, example like this. This is an example. This is an example. Yes, this is an example. This is a very good, perfect example. Yes. The market came down, went up, came down, went up. In this kind of area, you do not trade. This is when the market is in consolidation. This is when the market is in consolidation because you don't know when the market will go up against your direction. So this is particularly when the market is in what? Consolidation. So you don't trade in this type of area. You don't trade in this type of area. You don't trade in it. You don't trade in this type of area where the market is basically in consolidation. You do not trade when the market is in consolidation. So you, like I said, the strategy is trading trends. Either the market is when the market is in an uptrend, then you trade up. When the EMA has crossed, when the price has crossed above the EMA, then the market is going up. When the price crossed below the EMA, then the market is coming down. But when the EMA is crossing and coming down and crossing and coming down, the market is in consolidation at that very moment. You do not trade. But let's take this off. Now the market is still going down now. So we are going to take a trade. We can't wait for the market to go up forever. We are going to take a trade. Now, one thing when you are trading pocket broker is that when you are trading quick trade on pocket broker is that you can easily recover after a loss. Yes, you can recover after a loss. So the market is still going down. We are going to take a trade because we can't wait forever for the AMA to cross. So we are basically going to take a trade now. And if that trade ends up being a loss, you can use the mitigate strategy. I will explain the mitigate strategy in a bit. So let's wait for this candle to close. If this candle closes red, we are entering a sell. Yes, if the candle closes red, we are entering a sell. So let's wait for this 1 minute candle to close. It closes red, we are going with a sell of $10. All right, let's wait. because the market, remember, the market is still in the downtrend. It's still in the downtrend. So our time frame is 3 minutes. The market is still in a downtrend. Okay, that's closed. Let's enter the sell. At least I think I entered in a good position because the market went up a little bit before I entered my sell. So let's wait for it to go our way. Now, if the trade still doesn't go our way, because in quick trading, pocket broker quick trading, that's basically how it is. Even after analyzing the market from heaven and earth, analyzing everything, the market can still go against you. But you don't panic. As a trader that wants to go far, you don't panic when the market goes against you. You take your time and then reanalyze and re-enter again. And then if your analysis is very strong, you can now re-enter on, you can now double, yes, you can now double your profit, double your entry and enter, which is the mitigate strategy. And that mitigate strategy will recover the money back if the next trade has entered. Will recover the money back. So now will be a good time for me to talk about managing your risk. When it comes to trading, you basically have one thing: managing your risk so that you do not blow your account. Man, you have to manage your risk. You have to manage your risk. When it comes to trading, you have to manage your risk so that you do not blow your account. If you blow your account, it's your fault. And remember, you can use my deposit code to trade and get to deposit and then receive a 100% bonus. Now, when it comes to trading, you have to manage your risk so that you don't blow your account. That is it. Now, if you have $100 account, you should be using not less than 10% to take a trade. Yes, you should be using not less than 10% so that you have more leverage to trade and make profits before the market, before you lose. Understand? So if you're having an account of $10, you can simply use 10% of your money to take that trade. To take that trade. All right, let's see. We still have a lot of time. We still have some time left for our trade to close. We still have some time left. Trade, please go our way. The market is trying to move up. If the market moves above, now if this green candle moves above and closes green, if this green candle moves above this green line, which is EMA, and closes green, then we are taking an up trade. I'm going to double it and take two up trade. I'm going to double it and take two up trade. Yes. If it moves above this green line, this green candle closes and moves above this, we have lost this trade already. We've lost it. But not to worry, we can recover it back. We can recover it back. The market is coming down now. Yes, I think the market is coming down now. So we lost that one, and market closed down. So we are going to take another trade because we can't be waiting for the thing to cross forever. But if it crosses, then you have a very strong way. You can see the market is still coming down. It's going up. It's coming down. It goes up again. It's still trying to come down. Let this candle close. Let this candle close and we enter again. Let this candle close. Let's double our entry. Let this candle close and we enter again because the market is still coming down. Okay, so you have entered again. I know that the market is coming down. Coming down, 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 down. So I was telling you about risk management. I was telling you about risk management. Risk management is not using more than 10% of your account to trade on quick trading in pocket broker. That is risk management. Now you have to manage your risk so that you do not blow your account. Yes, you have to do everything possible so that you do not lose all your money trading, because it's very, very much easy to lose all your money trading. It's very easy to lose all your money trading. So you have to manage your risk so that you don't lose all your money what? Trading. So if you have, an account of at least $100 and below, Use 10% of it to be trading, taking it straight. Then, if you want to do the math engage strategy, which I will be telling you of before the end of this video, then you can use below 10%. You can use 3% to do the math engage strategy. That is it. You can use 3% to do the math engage strategy to trade. Okay, market is going our way. Market is going down. It's going down. It's going down. We didn't get it here. We didn't start the trade on time, but the market is basically going down. I think we are going to switch to a lesser time frame. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I think we're going to switch to a lesser time frame. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. 30 seconds time frame. I think we should be using a 30 seconds time frame, and then in 1 minute after this trade ends, I think that's basically what we're going to do. So let's wait for this trade to end first. Let's wait for this trade to end first. Let's wait for this trade to end first. Don't go up. Don't try it at all. Don't go up. Don't go up. Close in our favor. Close below. Close below. Close below. Close below. Close below. So another thing I want to say, if this time frame is too steep, you are barely getting crosses, because we trade only the crosses. But now I'm trying to trade using my own knowledge that the market is coming down. But if this time frame is too strict, then we are going to switch to 30-second time frame. Drop down, drop down. Let's recover our money back and make profits. Drop down. Let's recover our money and make profits. If this time frame is too strict for you, if it's giving you less signal, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so let's switch to a lower time frame. Let's switch this to 30 seconds. Let's switch this to 30 seconds and then wait for a perfect entry in 30 seconds. Let's switch to 30 seconds. Then let's double. Now, the reason why I'm doubling is because I'm using the math engage strategy. That's why I'm doubling. So let's double to $40. And we're going to recover everything back. And remember, we are trading Euro USDT. You can see it from here. Euro USDT. So let's double. Let's wait. Now that I've switched to 30 seconds, let's use a lesser time frame to trade. Let's do 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, let's do 1 minute. Switch to 30 seconds. Let's do 1 minute. Look, remember it crossed here. So if we have entered when it crossed here, we would have made profit by now. We have made profit because the line crossed here. You can see it. It came up. No, we would have lost. It came up and then went down. That is why you have to wait for the candle to close. You see the candle close with a red bar. If you had waited for the candle to close with a green bar, if this candle closes with a green bar, then we would have made profit. But it closed with a red bar, although we didn't enter this trade. All right, so let's just wait for the next one. This one came up and then closed green. Then wait for a confirmation of red, of another green before you take that trade. But there was no confirmation of another green. It was red, so the market came down. Market came down. Market kept coming down. Market kept coming. The market kept coming down. Yes, yes. You can see this one. Another a green, another green. Market went up. Okay. A green, double red, it came down. That's basically the patterns the market is making. Two green up, then the market is going up. Yes. Okay, let's basically wait. I'll switch to 30-second time frame. Market is coming down rapidly. Want it to cross again, but it has not given us any way to cross. We've lost two trade and we're about to make our money back. Let's just simply wait. Let's simply wait for the market to go our way. All right, so while we're waiting for the market, please know that if you want to deposit to start trading, You can make use of this code. You can make use of this code. You can make use of this code to deposit. If you use this code to deposit, you will have 100% deposit of what you have deposited. 100% of what you have deposited. If you use this code displayed on your screen right now, you're going to have 100% deposit. And if you use this code to deposit, you will receive 100%. That's why it's showing at the top of the screen. Now let's take this out. Let's take this out. So my name is Smiling Josh. Remember, just keep on displaying it for some time. All right. So this is the code you want to use to deposit to get your bonus. All right. Let's continue our trade. The market is coming down. Let's check another time frame. 1 minute time frame. Market is still going down. 1 minute time frame. Let's check 5 minute time frame. Market is still going down. Market is still going down. 10 minutes time frame is going seriously down. So this gives us every indication that the market is still going down. Gives us a lot of impression that the market is going down. It's going down. Let's check 30 seconds time frame. Market is going down. Still going down. Market keeps going down. Mm, 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 20 year save. Market keeps going down. This candle closes red again. I think we're going to go for another sell. The candle closes red. It's still going to go down. Candle closes red means it's still going to go down and close green. So it means the market is might be coming up. But let's wait. Let's not rush. Let's not rush. We're in 30-second time frame, remember? So let's not rush. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Remember, if this touches this green, then we know that the market is for sure is coming up. Yes. But if we can't wait for that, we have to go for it. So if this candle closes red, we are going for a sell. We are going for a sell. If it closes red, we are going for a sell. Let's recover all that we've lost. Now, please do not use the martingale strategy. If you do not use the martingale strategy if you have less than $100 in your account. Do not use it. I think closes green. Do not use the martingale strategy if you have less than $100 in your account. Do not use the martingale strategy. What is the martingale strategy? The martingale strategy is simply doubling. Anytime you incur a loss, you double the amount you enter with. You double the amount you enter with. You double the amount you enter with. Anytime you incur a loss, you double the amount you enter with. So that when you enter about 2 or 3 trades and then the one ends in a win, that means you have recovered all the money back. So you see that the green candle has crossed above. So we're supposed to enter a sell, but let's wait for this candle to close green. If this candle close green, then it's definitely a sell. But if it doesn't close green, then we are not entering a sell. Let's wait for it to close green. If it closes green, it's an express sell. Okay. Let's see. Are you going to close? You are closing red. It closed green. So let's enter a sell. Let's enter a sell. 1 minute. Let's enter a 1 minute sell. And let's recover all that we have lost. Let's recover all that we have lost. So as I was saying about the martingale strategy, please do not use the martingale strategy if you have a low account, if you have less than $100, don't use the math against strategy. Why if you have above $100, you can make use of the math engage strategy. Yes, it's as easy as that. Now the math engage strategy is doubling. Why are you going down? Go up, Joe. Go back up, go back up, go back up. Now the math engage strategy is double. If you enter with $1, you lose that $1, you double it to $2, and then you enter. If you lose that $2, you double it to $4, and then you enter. If you win that $4, it basically means you have made money. And just like that, we have made money. It took us 3 trades, but we made our money back and made extra profits. You can see it. We took the first one $10, we lost. Took the second one $20, we lost. Now we entered with $40 and we made it back. And just like that, we have made profits and we can be done for the day because we deal on small, consistent profits. Small, consistent profits. So you see, we trade with trend. We wait for the trend to move in our direction, and then we wait for a confirmation for a second candle. If it's in the case of the market going up, you wait. Once the market crosses it, it's a green candle, and then that candle closes, and then you see another candle red, another candle green, then the market is going up. Then you can enter a buy. Yes. Now, if the market crosses below, like it's doing now, if it crosses, okay, it has crossed below now. If this candle crosses and then ends red, and then another confirmation ends, this one didn't cross. This one is just slightly above it, so it didn't cross. So once this one crosses red and another one ends red, then we are going for a sell. Let's quickly reset our entry amount. And when the market has already gone below the AMA, you don't trade, you leave it. Yes, it closed red. So let's go for another sell. It's not that bullish. Oh. It's not that bullish. Let me just explain what I'm about to explain. Now, if the market moves above the EMA, it means the market is going up. But do not enter yet. Wait for another candle which is green to confirm that the market is really going up before you enter. Yes. Now, if the market crosses below the price, crosses below the EMA, which is a red candle, do not enter yet. Wait for that cross candle to close, then wait for another candle to close before you enter your buy, before you enter your sell. Then you have made money. So you see, we're about to make money. If we had entered here now, we'll be making money here. But I didn't want to enter. I just want to introduce this strategy for us today, then close the stream to show you that it is very, very much possible to make money on Pocket Broker. It is very easy to make money on Pocket Broker. Now, I want to leave you with this. I want to basically leave you with this. If you know you have not yet deposited, go and deposit using this code. Deposit using this code. This is my deposit code that is currently being displayed on the screen. This is my deposit code currently being displayed. So use this code now to deposit so that you can start making money on very simple, making money clean, live on Pocket Broker. Pocket Broker is one of the top brokers that offers quick trading. Yes, it's one of the top brokers that offers quick trading that you can use to trade. Yes, you can use to trade the binary. So it's very easy to make money on Pocket Broker. So use this code now currently being displayed on your screen. Use it to start depositing. Use it to deposit and get your money doubled, just like what you are seeing on the screen. And once again, my name is Smiling George, as you already know. I'm your boy, Smiling George. I teach people how to trade for a living, and I also trade for a living. I teach people how to trade for a living, and I also trade for a living. That is basically it. And that is all what you need to know about the trading of trend. You can see it has crossed and it's going up and it's going up again. If this candle closes green, then we are entering another buy. We are entering a buy, and then we are going to cash out easily. So this is basically how you trade on pocket option, pocket broker, and then once you are done, quick, very quick making money, very quick making money scheme. Just log in, make your money, and you leave. And the good thing is that when trading pocket broker quick trade, even if you lose, you can double confirm your strategy and re-enter. That is it. You can see the market is going up. So that is it, guys. That is all for today's trading session. We're going to see you next Wednesday.